Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a delicious molcajete salsa that is full of flavor. The ingredients you will need are about 5 Roma tomatoes, some green onion, cilantro. You will want to roast 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of yellow onion, and some dried chili peppers. We will season the salsa with some salt, pepper, and oregano. I like to use a ratio of 1 dried pepper for 1 Roma tomato, as the chili peppers that I'm using here are very spicy. We will start first by roasting the garlic, onion, and dried chili peppers. The chili peppers won't take very long, and you will add them to a pot of boiling water along with the Roma tomatoes until the tomatoes are cooked. In the molcajete, you will add the salt, pepper, oregano, garlic, and hydrated chili peppers. You will grind these ingredients until you get a nice paste. You will want to roughly chop the roasted onion and add it to the molcajete as well. Keep in mind that you can use a blender for this part, but make sure you add a bit of water so you can get a nice blend on the ingredients. Next, you will peel the cooked tomatoes and add them to the molcajete and start mashing lightly. If you're using a blender or food processor, make sure to do a light blend on the tomatoes so the salsa is nice and chunky. To finish it off, add some roughly chopped cilantro and green onion. Taste and add more salt if required. This is a great flavorful salsa. You could serve it with chips, but it's also perfect salsa to put on tacos or a burrito. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.